Hello everyone, and welcome back to this tutorial. In this video, we're going to guide you step by step on how to enable video stabilization on your Vivo smartphone, so your video recordings look smoother and more professional, even if your hands are a little shaky. Whether you're capturing daily vlogs, scenic travel moments, or fast-moving action, stabilization can make a huge difference in the final result of your videos. Let's get started. First, unlock your Vivo phone and launch the camera app. Once it's open, switch to the video mode by swiping left or tapping the video icon at the bottom of the screen. Now look for a gear icon or 3DOT menu, usually at the top corner of the screen. This will take you to the camera settings. Depending on your phone model, you might see an option called Stabilization. On some models, it appears directly as a button or toggle right in the video interface. Tap to enable this option. Once activated, you'll usually see the screen slightly zoom in. This is normal. It's part of how stabilization works, to smooth out your footage. Now you can start recording. With stabilization on, your video will look less shaky and more cinematic. It's ideal for handheld shooting, walking shots, or recording while moving. And that's it. That's how you turn on video stabilization on a Vivo smartphone. With just a few taps, your videos can go from shaky to stable, making them look much more professional. If this tutorial helped you, feel free to like and share. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful smartphone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.